All right, everyone. I'll show you how to do the mailer label, address label from Brooklyn MLS. So right now we would log into the Brooklyn MLS via member. Yeah. 2007?
No, 2772.
2772. So you will enter your credential based on your own information. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you click on realist tax on the upper middle. Realist tax. Okay. On the map, you see the correspondence address and area you want to do. For example, right? Let's say we want to do the area near our office, 2059 86th Street. This is how you search it. Brooklyn, NY, search. This is the area that we're in right now. You click on this pencil right here and select polygon tool. You draw on the area that you're interested in. Click, 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 and just close it up. On the bottom left, it shows you how many results are found. Okay, right now, based on this area, we have 248. But each time, it allows you to do 1,000. So you can extend it if you want to. Right? Extend it. Extend it. So right now, there are 740. We'll just leave it at 740. Right? Once you have this selected, you click on label on the bottom. Make sure you highlight use tax billing address because this will send the address to the owner itself, not to the tenants, not to the address directly. It will send to the owner's corresponding address. Show current owner should be selected. Right? Every month, Brooklyn MLS allows you 7,500 address export. So it shows that you've never done anything before. So create. So once I did create, right? Once I did create, it should have a file for me in my download folder, the CSV. Oh, you only have one. Oh, there's something wrong here. Search. Let's do it again. So, okay, this is how we do it. Once you see all these building pops up, then you know you have the area selected. Click on label, show current owner. Right now, from 1 to 740. Okay. Create. So go to download. Go to download and then click on this new label again. So, all right, this is how it shows up. So in order for you to export this the right way, most people would just copy and paste, but we don't want to do that. We want to highlight and select manually all of it. Click on the first one and then select all of it. Otherwise, it won't show up properly in Excel. So just go from all the way to the bottom. Control C to copy. Open up Excel, a new page. Control V to paste. Right? So all these 700 addresses are here already. Here's the next step. So how do you edit this into a proper format so the mailer can read it properly? It might be too small for you. Make it bigger for you guys. So in order to do this, each one has to be on its line. Each address has to be on its own line, right? So for B, we'll just leave B blank first, but then I'll show you later why. We just put C equals to this. So it shows up the address. D equals to the city, state, and zip. Equals to this, right? And then we just copy this and paste it all the way down to the last one. So as you can see, all the address and city state zip from column A is now on column D. Well, anyway, I think I missed a step so far, so let me show you why. Add a 0 here, 0 here. Zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we just create like a 0 for each blank field, and here we do this. So what the 0 does is it'll help you eliminate all those unnecessary rows that you don't want. So we could sort it by 0. 1, 2. So see, this is how your file should look like. So the next step is, because this is still equaling to the column A, right? But we don't want to use anything for this on column A. What we do is highlight C, column C, copy, right click, paste, value. Column D, right click, copy, paste, special, values. What it does is no longer relying to the information on column A. It's its own value now. Right? So what we want to do is we want to eliminate these rows that we don't need, but we don't want to delete them one by one. So we create a sort data filter, right? So now you see this little drop arrow, right? Click on the drop arrow, deselect everything, select only the one with the 0. 5 filters. So now you know that these are all extras, all the relevant ones. Okay. Erase everything with the 0. Delete. Right. Now you go back to filter. No, just go back there. See? Now all those extra ones are gone. Now you have the only the name, the address, the zip code. So we want to create a new column. I mean a new row, calling this name. Current owner. Address. City. Zip. Okay. So sometimes whatever information you get from the MLS might not be the most current one. The owner might have changed already. So if that's the case, you click all current owner. So in case you're still mailing it to the old owner. So you click all current owner. So now this export file is complete. You see why you send it to the tax address, right? Because the owner of this property actually lives in Florida. This one actually lives in Georgia. So let's see. File, save. So book 2, let's just say book 2. You can name it whatever you want. Right now it's in book 2. So the Excel part is done. Now you want to actually create the envelopes based on these addresses. You open up Word, you go to mailing, open up a new file, go to mailings, stop mail merge, envelopes. Okay. Click on whatever return address you want. Let's say ABC Cafe. Okay, click OK. I will adjust this a little bit just so that it won't be all the way to the edge. And I will bold this. So this doesn't really show up, but you know that the address is here. Click on the bottom middle to move this up a little bit. This is how you want it to show up on the envelope. Okay, and where the cursor is your recipient's name and addresses. So how do you get this information based on the Excel file that you just got, right? Go to select recipient. Use an existing list because you just created a list. Hello. Book 2. Click on yes, whatever pops up. Click on OK. Nothing shows up because you have to insert manually. Name. I usually want to bold the name and current owner, then address, space. We could save it. Or we can do next one, save it. Okay. Now, if you're doing a condominium or co-op, sometimes they have a unit number. So in your Excel file, you just create another column called unit. So what you do is you put address and space units. So it'll mail to individual units. So I think this is almost ready. Let's go to finish and merge. Edit individual documents. Okay, finish and merge. Edit individual documents. Okay. So all the addresses are here. So you have 700 something addresses. And then file, save the Word file, whatever you want, envelope 1 dot. However you want to call it. You could call it the area that you're in, or the zip code that you're doing. Okay. And that's it. And then when you click print, you just print out to envelope using the printer. What I usually do is instead of saving it as a Word file, I will save it as a PDF file. So the PDF is sometimes easier. PDF. Yep, this is how it shows up. You don't want anyone, just delete it. If you see a name, so sometimes from the MLS, right? Another thing you have to make a note of. Sometimes from the MLS, it shows up address not available. So you have to delete these envelopes. Just delete them. No, you just have to find it. So another way to avoid this, right? Let me just show you. Another way to avoid this is to go back to your Excel file. Right here. You do filter. When you do the filter, you go to here. You deselect all. You find the not available. Not available for planting. See? What else? Sometimes they might have different things, but you just have to see which one is it. File filter. All you have to do is delete these right here before you do the envelope population, so it won't show up. Yep. That's it.